My name is Nikea Bland, and I've been practicing as a criminal defense attorney since 2005, having graduated from law school at CU Boulder in 2005. What led me to the practice of law was after undergrad I worked at a group home for adolescent boys, and they had all been in legal trouble in the city of Denver. And what I found to be most challenging about their situation was many of them had pled guilty and didn't understand that they'd even pled guilty. They didn't understand why they were in a group home. They didn't understand what rights they had, and they didn't properly communicate with any of the attorneys that had been representing them in the past. And I thought that that was really a miscarriage of justice, to have people in the system who really aren't evaluating the cases against them or making decisions on their own behalf. It was almost like people were making these decisions for them. And so that's originally what led me into going into law school in the first place. While I was in law school, I had the opportunity to complete a criminal defense clinic, and that was the experience that led me to want to practice as a criminal defense attorney. Originally in my career, I was a public defender, and I practiced in that capacity for 5 years prior to going into private practice. Since being in private practice, 100% of my caseload is devoted to criminal defense. I just really have always loved criminal defense. Mostly because I like the interaction it allows me to have with my clients. I develop personal relationships with all of my clients, and I sort of approach what we do as defense attorneys as more of a team effort, in that it's not just what I'm doing for the client, but it's me and the client together trying to work for the best possible outcome. I've been doing it for almost 10 years now, and I think it's my calling. I haven't wanted to do any other type of legal work.